fucking hell, man. Let's go. Shader source fragment number 5 has 128 and 512 constants. We've moved these discrete element constants from video 99 up closer to the top of our shader, because we'll need them. These are the cell locations on the data layout for different rooms. These are conversions from the render layout to the data layout. So for a given room, where is the data cell for the X and the data cell for the Y? Let's go further down. So inside of the shader, that takes a given layer and takes a discrete unit and a layer and gives us the final color back for a given layer. We removed some of the U32 is removed from this. It's just U underscore now. This right here is the data cell R4X, R4Y for a given room. This was not needed. This is the discrete sample point local to the hotel, discrete sample point local to a level. This is the grid cell on the 5x5 as a one-dimensional index. The tile size converted to a local tile XY temporary lookup table. We're going to calculate the hotel cell on the DOM. Then we're going to get the local sample point local to the hotel. We're going to get the cell that contains the level we want to look at. So room cell 5, X and Y. Then we can get the local sample point local to a level. Then we can get the data cell for that level, the R4X, R4Y. This is the one-dimensional version of R5X, R5Y. We have a little to-do macro here to let me know we're not done. We're going to do our back-to-front rendering here. This was wrong. We fixed it with this. Now it's in terms of discrete units. We have the tile size exponent converted to the local XY tile location. We want to figure out where that pixel is for the tile we want to fetch. And we need to offset by 512 to get the level pack, offset by 128 to get the level, and then other offsets are still needed. The final offset is offsetting by the local tile X and Y, something I don't have time to go over. Some other stuff I don't have time to go over. I don't have time to go over any of this shit. You can go to here if I didn't go in enough detail. You can get the source code here. You can email me here. This has been video number 176. Like and subscribe.